Hi guys, it's Pila here again. Uh, Today we're going to analyze everything. Actually, we're not going to analyze almost everything. I think few pairs preparing for this week, the week that is coming. Okay, okay. This one I bought it Friday. I sold it Friday. Sorry, I sold it Friday. So I want people to focus to this point of mine. This is our support, support. What do we have now? We have a trend line from here to here. First time, second time. Now we have a valid trend line. I've drawn this thing long time ago, so I've been waiting for the price to get to this trend line, and then I was waiting for the third touch. Here we go. We have our third touch here that confirms the trend line. Well, now I'm expecting the price to go down. Where am I gonna put my stop loss? That's $1 million question. So now what I'll advise you to do, currently where the price is, uh, you can still sell it. You can still sell it. And then we have a new trend line. We have a new trend line below. So now in this situation, remember I've been telling you about trend lines, guys. Trend lines are working. If you don't have trading experience, make sure that you learn trend line. Your trading experience you'll gain trading experience while you trade trend lines. So let's go and look at this one. It's a buy trend line. Look at this. Okay, let's go to smaller time frame and check. And in this situation, I might also even adjust my stop loss. My take profit. For some reasons, I'll tell you. By looking at this trend line, let's go to 5 minutes. Okay, now we have something special here. Can you see it? It's either we expect the price to turn here, or this is where the price is going to turn. By looking at the movement of the market doesn't go straight like this, so it might range and range and range and range. Then we exit here. The reason why I put my take profit here is because of the take this thing back. It's because of this rally base rally. This one is very important. If you didn't know, this one can control the market even though it is small. So now, being realistic, this is an uptrend. So now what I'll do, I'll just wait for the price to get here. Once the price get to this point, I will exit the trade. I'll adjust my stop loss, my take profit as soon as the market opens, because now this is a buy opportunity. I sold it because of the trend line, otherwise I was not gonna sell this one. In this situation, remember, we're coming from support, we're going up. So now in this situation, we have a trend line and a sell trend line. That is why I sold it here. But now looking at this, the price from our support, and now we have a trend line. Eventually the price must go up. And now when you zoom and look at this, we have a major point here for an uptrend. So what's going to happen, the price will go to this point and then it will break and go up to this point, to this. roughly next week we must expect the price to go up and turn somewhere here, and eventually it will turn here. I'm 100% sure about this. Why? Look at the way the price dropped. It shows that we have more sellers waiting for the price to get here, but I'll explain that later. Let's go and check another pair. I'm just looking for opportunities for next week, guys. There's nothing important. I'm just helping some of you with some few analysis. That's it. Okay, according to what I see here, there's nothing much. Okay, by looking at these, I see a bit of potential here. Let me zoom in and tell you. I think I have a trend line here. Not sure, let me see, I'll tell you. No, I don't. It's not a trend line. It's not a trend line. But there's something, the reason for the price to 10 years because of this one on our left. What I'll do, I'll put my horizontal line of which is gonna be our resistance. I'm gonna put it here, and then I'll go to smaller time frame and see what we have exactly. Yes, accurate. So now I can see a trend line. Okay, in this situation we have a trend line here. The chances that the price is going to turn here are very high. The potential is between here. Let me just enlarge it a little. The potential turn is here. Let me adjust this one. Yeah, if I were to sell this one, wait a minute. Remember, guys, it is important to trade using price action. You don't need a lot of things to know how to trade. Just need to learn the important things first. Therefore, you'll be good to go. As you can see now, this is where the market is going to turn. Let me go to smaller time frame so that we can see what we actually have. By looking at these, and somewhere here, the price is going to turn somewhere in between. Here's the candle that I've been talking about, the red one. This zone is very important. You must pay attention. Okay, some of you will be like, no, this is a good place to sell. Yes, it is a good place to sell. As you can see, let's go to 15 minutes. I want to show you something. Look at the price movement. Can you see it? Let me adjust this one a little. We have a range. Can you see it? It's a range, and now in this situation with the range is going to be broken soon. As you can see now, the price failed to push up. Look at this one and look at this one. Are the signs that the price is getting weaker. It cannot go up. Look at this situation. Can you see it? Look at the candles, and then look at these candles. The price pushed up. It pushed, accelerating, going up. Look when it went down. Same thing that applies here. So now we don't have more sellers anymore. They are just waiting for the buyers to take in, then they sell. By looking at this, the sellers are just waiting. The buyers are still confused. They are thinking of this situation. We have a support here. No, you know what, when the price gets to support, we buy, we buy, we buy. Yes, we do buy, but then you need to observe how many times the support or resistance been used. So in this situation, expect the price to break this one and go down, and it will turn here. If it goes down, it will turn here. Hey man, how do you know that? How do you know that experience? It will turn here and then it will go up to test this one. Remember, once a support is broken, it becomes a resistance. Once a resistance is broken, it becomes a support, and then it will go down to break this one. Then that's when it's going to change the direction. We're done with this one. Let's look for another one. I'm not going to analyze everything for you guys, just gonna check few pairs. I'm just gonna check few pairs. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. This one I'm not going to talk about right now. This one is very important. People should know how to trade using these things. They are very important and they can change the direction of the market. Look at this. You don't need to go crazy about trading and stuff. Trend lines. This is the first time, second time, third time the price went up. No need for sweating. Look at this. People will tell you, hey, trading is very difficult. Hey, you're going to lose your money. Of course you will lose your money, only if you don't have to learn. You cannot come in and jump and be like, yeah, I'm a trader. You are a trader where? Not here. You need to learn and understand how things work, then you'll become a trader. Look at this. First time, second time, third time, price went down. Imagine if you sold the price here with 5 rand. You're not going to make any loss. Instead, you're going to make roughly 50 rand. I'm making an example. It's not like that, but just a simple example. Look at this one. I'll keep on showing you the things, guys. And now we have a special. The special is about to end in a few days. Okay, this one is not accurate. The price did not touch, so I'm not gonna consider this one as a trend line. But then I'm just showing you some of the things about trend line, guys. So let's go and check another one. Looking at this one, this one is also going down, but I don't like to check this one most of the time. I hardly use this one. This one, let's go to H4 and look at the structure. This one for me, I'm not gonna do a lot of things. I'll just wait for the price to get to my trend line, then I'm done. Trading is all about being patient, guys. Just wait. Once you learn how to wait, you'll get paid a lot of money. Just wait, you'll see. No need for sweating. Wait for your setup, then you'll be good to go. Look at this. I can even adjust in pretty. Actually, it will be good here. It's not like I'm guessing, something that I see. And I will zoom in and explain this one to you. Sorry about that, guys. Look at this. Can you see this one on our left? That's the reason why the price turned here. It went up, it came back down. On the way down, the price went up again to test this one, and then it went down. As the price go down, it went up to test this one. These are the things that you need to learn about forex. So now as soon as the price get to this level, it will change the direction and go down. Let me go to, actually let me just zoom out and show you what I'm talking about. Expect something like this. What you have to do is to wait. Let me go to daily so that you can see the whole thing. Exactly, this is my trend line. First time, second time, third time. What I'll do, I'll just wait and focus on other opportunities. I'm not gonna do anything here until the price gets here. As you can see, by using the higher time frame, you can see that the price will just turn the direction and go up. So simply leave this one alone and look for other opportunities. Here we have a good opportunity that is coming. Guys, experience is very important. You don't need to sweat to learn where the price is going to turn and stuff. It is very simple. Once you have experience, you are good to go. Okay, I'm on daily. People will be a bit confused. Why I don't see 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Okay, fine, no problem. I'll go to smaller time frame. We're analyzing for next week, guys. These are the opportunities that we're going to have for next week. As you can see, we have something like this. Uptrend. Sorry, the price turned here as a resistance. Sorry, the price turned here as a resistance, as you can see, and then it was broken here. The price went down and then the price came back to test the same zone. Okay, let me not say a zone, let me put it as a support and resistance. Remember, it was our support here, now it became a resistance. As you can see, this one happened around September, and then the price came back around 4 September. It was here. Unfortunately, I didn't have a chance to sell this one, but opportunities are always there. So look at this, the price turned here, but it failed to turn here. Talking about something that happened last week, and in this situation I didn't take this opportunity. Same thing happened here, the price came back and turned. This is where I was supposed to take the opportunity. Unfortunately, I was not around, so I missed the opportunity, but then my position is somewhere here. This is where I'm expecting to sell the price. So now I'll be patiently waiting here to sell. As soon as the price gets here, I'm going to sell. Let's go to weekly and check something. The price will be coming to this point for the first time, for the second time. So now as soon as the price gets here, I'm going to sell, then I'm good to go. That's the whole point of being patient. No need to sweat, no need to do anything hard, no need for indicators. Just know how to trade, then you are very much good and free to go. But some of you will just risk, no, I know what, the price is going up, so I have to buy. Okay, it's your choice, but you don't know what might happen here. Because now if you're going to buy here, where are you going to put your stop loss? Going to put your stop loss below this one? Okay, it's your choice. Let's look for another one. Oh well, this one looks very much good. It's a good buy opportunity, this one. Can you see the head and shoulder here? But this one is not tradable, guys. very much good. So now in this situation, we go to H4. Okay, we're on H4 now. What's gonna happen? And if you want to buy this one right now, you can buy it. Let me remove this one. It looks good. I want to check something. I think we have a trend line here. Let me check if it is flip. Can you see this one? It was almost a trend line, but it's not valid. We don't have the second touch here, so it's not a trend line. Okay. So now what am I gonna do? I'll go to smaller time frame and look for buy opportunities. As you can see, I'm expecting the price to turn here. So what am I gonna do now? I'll buy here and I'll put my stop loss below this one. Why are you going to do that? Okay, fine, let me show you. Now I have a proper trend line here. I have a proper trend line. In this situation, sorry about that. In this situation, we don't even know whether we're going to have a fake out or what. I'm not just gonna buy there knowing that the price will go up and stuff. In this situation, we need to expect the price to go up and test here, and then the price might come to the trend line before it goes to this one. So these are the things at the point where we need to focus and pay attention to. As you can see here, we have a rally, base rally. The higher the chances for the price to come back to this point, but now it is very much impossible for the price to get to this one, as we have a trend line. It failed to turn, and if it turned here, it was going to turn here and go up. As for where it is, it will be a bit challenging for the price to turn here, not unless it just accelerates and go down. It might turn somewhere here. Remember, the price doesn't go straight. You see the movement is like this. So now if the price is going to turn anytime or anywhere here, it's when the price change the direction immediately and go up. So as you can see, now we have this week, and look at the structure, and look at the red candles. They are very much weak comparing to the green one. This one, it's a rally, base, rally. It is called a continuation. It's a potential continuation pattern. The price will pause for a little. After that, the price will accelerate up. As you can see, the price went up and then it came back to test with one candle. Let's go to 15 minutes and see. No, we're not gonna see clearly. I think this one will give us something, not even accurate though, but we have something though. Can you see? If I were to put this one here, you'll see how accurate it is. Yes, it is. You see this one accurate, and also this one on our left. So the chances of buying here are very high, and also the chances of the price selling here are very high. So the best thing to do is to wait patiently and look at the market movement, because we don't know what's gonna happen when the market opens. It might happen that when the market opens today, you'll see that the price is here, then it will go up. Like here, the price just opened and then it started here. As it was going down, it opened the price here. The next thing, you get it. So we don't know what's gonna happen. The best thing to do is to wait patiently and focus. Let's go and check another one. As I said, I'm not gonna analyze everything, guys. I'm just gonna give you a few pairs Phew. Flip. Start from this side and go down and see what is it that we have. This one doesn't look good for me. I'm not gonna check it. And this one looks good for buy, but I'm not gonna pay attention to this one. This one looks good as well. Perfect. Gosh, guys, I'm struggling with sinuses, so forgive me for that. So now what do we have here? We have a trend line. Oh, flip. Pressed on the wrong tool. Okay. Now what do we have here? Where is the price going to turn? Look at this one. We're going to put it here. You're going to put it here and expect the price to go down to this point, and as soon as the price gets to that point, we're going to buy without hesitating, guys. This one is very much important, and this one is very fresh and clean. Remember, it's a trend line. It's the first time, it's the second time. So now, as you can see where the price is currently, so where is the price gonna turn? Nowhere other than here. Okay, very much good. So now what is it that we're going to do? Nothing other than waiting, because now on 1 hour we have a downtrend trend line. Even if I increase, we go to 30 minutes, you're going to see it's a valid trend line. So now if the price will turn the direction, it will turn somewhere here. It will turn somewhere here. Eventually it will go down. Unfortunately, I missed this opportunity. Remember, guys, you're not gonna get all the opportunities. That's highly impossible, so you must be grateful for those you got. So in this situation, what do? Just wait patiently, and if the price gets to this point, just sell. Remember, you sell, you put your stop loss above. You must know where you're going to exit. That one is very important. So now in this situation, if the price gets here, it will be easy for the price to go down to this point, and then you buy. I will also be patiently waiting for the price to get to this point of mine. Once it gets to this point, I'm going to buy. No need for indicators and other things that is going to complicate your trading strategy or whatever that you call it that you're using. As you can see, guys, I don't use indicators. I don't use anything, but I go straight to the chart and trade. And if I were to teach you, I'll teach you to do the same. That's how you learn how to trade. As you can see, in this situation, I'm not going to do a lot of things, but I will just wait patiently. This one is going to go down soon. Eventually, wait a minute, my trend line is not accurate. It seems like the price is currently in the trend line. First time, second time, third time. And now if I were to zoom in, I'm on H4. We have another trend line here that is going up. So now if the price is going to 10 here, we must look for opportunities where the price is going to 10, and we're looking for buy opportunities. Where are those opportunities? Look at the red candle. This red candle is where the price is going to 10. How do I know that? Experience. So now we're here. I'm expecting the price to 10 here if it is going down. Look at this. Can you see it? Can you see it? Because if I go to H4, those who don't know, if I'm on H4 looking at these red candles on 1 hour, that's 4 of them. So don't be confused. This is where I'm expecting the price to 10, but I'm not gonna sell now. I'll just wait and buy here. I think that's it for today. You guys are going to continue and look for more opportunities. Let me see if I want to get something before I go. I think I'm good for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, guys. If there's something that you don't understand, please feel free to ask me on the comment section. I would love to answer every questions, guys, that you have. See you on my next video.